Welcome to my YouTube channel MediSketch with another knowledgeable video. I hope it will be helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we discuss about the surfaces of teeth. The crown of each tooth has 5 surfaces. They are incisal or occlusal surface, palatal or lingual surface, mesial surface, labial or buccal surface, distal surface. There is a maxillary arch and here is a mandibular arch. This is the left side and right side. Arrangement is central, lateral, incisor, canine, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, third molar. Just like this, third molar, lower third molar, lower second molar, first molar, second premolar, first premolar, canine, lateral, central. Now we discuss about the surfaces of teeth. First, incisal or occlusal surface. The surfaces of teeth The surfaces of teeth come in contact with opposite jaw during mastication. We are called the incisal surface in case of anterior teeth, and occlusal surface for premolar and molar. So this surfaces is incisal. Here you see the line called incisal surface of incisors and canine. Here in case of anterior teeth, this is the incisal, this is the incisal surface, and posterior teeth, this is the occlusal surface. So next, palatal uh, or lingual surface. Palatal or lingual surface. The surfaces of the teeth facing towards the tongue is called lingual surface. In case of maxillary teeth, sometimes we used palatal surface interchangeably with the term lingual surface. Means here we see here the tongue situated, and this area in the mouth we call palate, in maxillary arch, and in mandibular arch here is the tongue. So the surface of the teeth facing towards means this surface with arrow and color I mark. You see this surface. So this surface facing towards the tongue, this surface facing towards the tongue, this surface facing towards the tongue or palate, this surface facing towards the tongue or palate. So this is called palatal. Next, labial or buccal surface in the anterior teeth, means in incisors and canines. The surfaces towards the lips are called labial surface. Upper lip, lower lip called labial surface. Here I mark with the arrow, with the orange arrow here. In case of posterior teeth, the surfaces facing towards the cheeks means this surface. In case of mandibular, this surface facing towards the cheeks we call buccal surface, and we both the labial and buccal surface, we referring both surfaces as facial surface. Next, mesial surface and distal surface. Before we discuss about mesial and distal surface, here is the another term, proximal surface. What is proximal surface? The surfaces of the teeth facing towards the adjacent teeth, in the same arch, in the same dental arch, the midline, which surfaces towards the midline, the surfaces of the teeth which towards the midline we call mesial surface. this side surface marked with green color, this side surface marked with green color is mesial surface, and which surfaces of the teeth away from the midline we call distal surface. Means here we mark with red color here and here. This is called this surface distal surface. This surface is distal surface. Here green color surface towards the midline called mesial surface, and red line away from the midline called distal surface. Proximal surfaces may be called either mesial or distal.